Hey, 5 hearts down. Hey, 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 hey. Do the saving challenge dance. Do the saving challenge dance. Look at me. I feel so proud of myself. Normally, I can't save for shh.
Try to show the straw when we're ballin'. 20 of the spies are cooling. When we let it slide, as you cool.
My people, my people, my people. I am back again with another video. It is your girl, Batty Batty. Let's go. You guys already know that we are starting off today's video with a positive quote. Today's positive quote is, I hope yesterday reminds you how strong you were. Today proves you how capable you are, and tomorrow tells you how fantastic you can be. That is pretty straightforward. It is what it is. It is what's said. I can't add or subtract anything else from that quote. I love it. So today we are stuffing $120 into our saving challenge. This is coming from my website earnings. And I am so happy to say I am ready to save $120 today. So we are stuffing this in our saving challenge. I also want to say, if you guys are new here, I do have a saving challenge binder on my website for sale, as well as saving challenges. Be sure to check out my website. I will leave the link in the description below for you guys to head on over there and get on it. If you haven't started saving challenges as yet, baby, I just want to turn you around and I just want to take a belt and I just want to start spanking you. Because girl, why? Why? I cannot stress how much saving challenges has changed my life, helped me to save, helped me financially. Y'all already know this story, but I'm gonna say it again for all the newcomers. I literally started cash stuffing in March 1st. And I started a savings challenge in March, a $500 challenge. And I am already at almost $1,200 in my saving challenge book. Get into it. Stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. Get into the saving challenges. Y'all playing games. So anyways, let's count our money. We have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have $120 that we are putting up today to save. So let's get into it. We are still on our $300 challenge that we started. When did we start this? We started this last week. So we are on our $300 saving challenge, which has $15 increments, as y'all can see. This is what our saving challenges look like on the website. Get into it if you haven't as yet. I sell these in bundles, by the way, so there's a bunch, probably like 6 of them, 8 of them, 9 of them. So you guys just get a little binder and put these in and start working it. So far we have completed a $500 challenge, we have completed a $300 challenge, we have completed a $200 challenge, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 more challenges left in this book to complete, and once all these are completed, we will start a new one. So this challenge is on the website. It is called the 9-piece saving challenge. It's available on the website. The link is in the description below. Touch the link, buy the challenge, save the money. So let's get into the video. So we have $120 today to add to saving challenges. So let's get the calculator, because y'all know how my brain works. Y'all know it don't work. So we have 120, and we're going to divide it by 15 because it's $15 increments, which means we are filling in 8 hearts. Let me get my marker. Let me get my marker so we can fill in our 8 hearts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to fill 8 hearts in. Y'all have been with me from the beginning. Like, I literally have, I think I do have when I started this $500 challenge. I think it is on my in my videos, if you guys scroll all the way down to, I think it's the second video I've ever posted on my channel, when I started the $500 challenge, that video is there. And you guys see where I started, where I am today. You should know that you could get here too. I don't have to tell you that. Like, girl, if you are watching my channel every single day and you are not doing saving challenges, I have to say something is wrong with you. So you literally just want to sit here and watch me do this? Like, you don't want to do it for yourself? You don't want to have money? You what? You and money ain't friends? Like, explain it to me. So pretty soon, as y'all can see, I'm going to finish this challenge, this whole 9-piece set, and then I'll move on to another 9-piece set. I'm thinking probably I will move on to a bigger one. I don't know. If I keep making money the way I am right now, I will be able to move on to a bigger challenge. So let's just speak that into existence. Let's just manifest that into, let's throw it out into the air. Because I do believe in whatever energy you throw out or whatever words you say actually is what goes or what happens to you. I believe that very much. So I always try to say positive things when it comes to money, when it comes to certain goals that I have, because I do think whatever you throw out there is what's going to happen. So look at that. 5 hearts down. Do the saving challenge dance. Do the saving challenge dance. Look at me. I feel so proud of myself. Normally I can't save for shh. Now my boyfriend could say, babe, how much money you got saved? I'd be like, oh, let me check. Baby, give me a second, let me count. You know, like normally I used to be like, I ain't got no money saved, I can't save no money, I this, that, all type of excuses. That time I was spending, buying down the whole freaking mall, shopping off all these websites, talking about I can't save no money. Now my boyfriend say, babe, how much money you got saved? I could say, babe, hold up, give me a sec, let me jump up in my thing and I'm gonna let you know in just 1 second. Okay. If y'all know how nice this feels, like, y'all don't even understand until you do it. Once you do it and you realize how much money you're down so far, girl, you feel so great about yourself. So we have 4 and 4, 8. We have 9 more hearts to go to finish another $300 saving challenge, which I know that we can do. We just got to keep it going, stay consistent with it, make sure we add money to it. So let's see, we have 20, 30, 40, 45. We're adding a 50. We're adding some 10s, and we are adding some 5s. We now have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wait, yeah, 100 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. So we have $165 in our $300 challenge. We have 9 more boxes to go, well, hearts to go, and the challenge will be completed and we will have $1,300 saved in our binder. Oh my God, what did you just say, girl? Did you just say $1,300 saved? You can save? Somebody book me and put me on some type of show or something, please. But this is our saving challenge book, and this is how we're doing so far. We have completed 3. We're on our 4th one, and we have 5 more to go. That feels so good to know that I have almost $1,300 saved up, separate from my savings that's in my high priority and separate from my coloring book savings. So I literally have more than $1,300. Well, let's just say $1,165. We have more than $1,165 saved up right now. But focusing on the saving challenge book, we have 1165 currently, and we're on our way to 1300. So it feels great. And if you guys haven't started yet, please do. Please do. I am not a saver. I suck at saving. Suck. But thank you, Jesus. I started this because look at me now. I am on a move. I am on a roll. And I feel great about that. I also wanted to show you guys because I did do some little changes to my long-term binder. Y'all remember? I still haven't started to stuff her yet, but she's getting stuffed this month with my YouTube paycheck. She's getting stuffed with my YouTube paycheck. So that's what I'm going to use my YouTube paycheck to do, to stuff my long-term baby right here. So let us see. I did a little upgrade. My daughter just woke up. Y'all heard her? She's so sweet. I'm coming, mama. I'm coming. Bless you. I'm coming, baby girl. You wake up. Good morning. So I upgraded it, y'all. I changed it to my laminated envelopes instead. I am so in love with the laminated envelopes. I love them so much. So y'all can see I did laminated envelopes. This is an A5 binder, I think. And I did the full laminated envelopes. Sometimes less is more. I don't like over decorated stuff. I hate when stuff are over decorated. Like, I feel like minimalist and cute is great. But that's it. I kept the same cover. The acetate is one of my signature things, as y'all can see, and I love it. So I kept the same cover. It's a rose gold binder, of course, my favorite. And I did upgraded envelopes. So I was stuffing my sweet girl pretty soon. Y'all gonna be seeing her more. Yeah, but that is it for today's video. It was my pleasure coming on here and showing y'all a great stuffing. So continue to do what you do. Keep doing what you do. And remember, love yourself and give yourself credit because you have been doing a great job. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the